Have your newly sprouted cucumber seedlings stopped growing or started looking weak? Before you buy expensive fertilizers, try this simple natural plant booster made with 3 common kitchen ingredients. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you an easy homemade fertilizer that may help support healthy roots, greener leaves, and stronger early growth in very small cucumber seedlings. Start with 1 liter of lukewarm water. Add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Yeast can help encourage beneficial soil microbes that support healthier root development. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oats. As oats gradually break down, they add organic matter that can help improve soil structure and support plant growth. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric may help support a healthier soil environment and contribute to better root health. Stir everything well and let the mixture rest for 2 to 3 hours. After that, strain it and dilute it with 1 more liter of clean water. For very small, newly sprouted cucumber seedlings, apply only 10 to 20 milliliters around the base of each plant every 2 to 3 weeks. Avoid pouring the solution directly onto the stem or leaves. For the best results, combine this natural booster with regular watering, healthy soil, and plenty of sunlight. Remember, newly sprouted cucumber seedlings grow best in warm weather and should not be overwatered. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more natural gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.